Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to sync your Chrome data across all your devices. Start by opening Google Chrome on your phone or computer. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and choose Settings. To sync your data, you must be signed into Chrome. Tap Sign in to Chrome or Turn on Sync, then log in with your Google account. This allows Chrome to securely back up your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more. Once signed in, Chrome will ask if you want to enable sync. Tap Yes, I'm in. This instantly syncs your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, autofill data, open tabs, extensions, and settings. If you only want to sync specific items, tap Sync inside the settings. Turn off Sync Everything and manually choose bookmarks, history, passwords, autofill, extensions, open tabs, settings. This gives you full control over what gets shared across devices. Now repeat the same steps on your other phone, tablet, laptop, or computer. Sign into Chrome using the same Google account and turn on Sync. All your data will automatically appear: bookmarks, passwords, tabs, everything. And that's it. You've successfully synced your Chrome data across all of your devices.